Hey everyone, welcome to The Honest Mechanic. If you've ever popped the hood of your car and felt a little overwhelmed, you're in the right place. Whether you're brand new to cars or just want to save money and make smarter decisions, this channel is here for you. I'm Rob, and I'll be joining Brian because I know how frustrating car ownership can feel when you don't have the right information. Cars are an essential part of our daily lives, but too often we don't learn the basics until something breaks down or a repair bill shows up. Here, we'll break things down in plain language. You'll learn how to spot common car issues before they become expensive problems, handle simple maintenance tasks at home, and understand what mechanics are really talking about. I'll also share practical tips that help you make the best choice when it's time to buy your next car. Whether that's your first used ride or your dream upgrade, the goal is simple. Save you time, money, and stress while giving you the confidence to take control of your automotive journey. I want this channel to be more than just videos. It's a community where we can share stories, ask questions, and help each other out. So if that sounds like what you've been looking for, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's dive in, learn together, and make car ownership a whole lot easier.